Hi, welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to set up your Showglower power table. Let's get started. So first things first is we're going to attach our base to our main structure. So you want to start out with the main structure upside down, and the way to tell that is you want the power supply cord to be at the top, because that is going to protrude through the main structure and out the bottom so you can light up your display. So we're going to take our base and line up the screw holes in the base with the screw holes on the main structure. Once you line up the holes on the base with the holes in the main structure, find where the flathead screws will go through to secure the base to the main structure. Start twisting the screw with your fingers into the washer and the locking bolt, like so. Once you've got the screws started, use the wrench provided to hold the washer and locking bolt in place and continue twisting the screw into the bolt and washer with your hex key. Repeat the process for the remaining holes. Once you have your base secured to the main structure, go ahead and connect the power supply cord. Okay, so now that you have the base and the power supply cord attached to the main structure, you can go ahead and flip the table right side up. It's now time to apply the top of the table. Go ahead and tuck all the cords into the opening on the main structure and plug in the USBs into the power bank, like so. Make sure you tuck the cords in the center of the main structure. Next, secure the top of the table to the main structure with your short bolts. Get the short bolt started with your finger and then finish screwing in with your hex wrench. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 short bolts. With the top of the table now secured to the main structure, we can now go ahead and apply our graphic. Before applying the graphic though, make sure the switch on the power bank is switched on. This is an SEG graphic, so go ahead and fold that silicone edge into the channel of the main structure like so. Just keep feeding that silicone edge in the channel as you wrap the graphic around the table. With your graphic applied, all that's left is to plug your table into an outlet. You're now ready to utilize the illuminating effect and messaging power of your Showglower power table.